Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 26. In this lesson we're talking about being able to identify tens and ones within a two-digit number. So looking at this, we have some circles. Some are red, some are white. So there's also, if we look, there is a line across or through some of the circles. So let's figure out what's going on here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red that are crossed out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white that are crossed out. So it seems like it changes colors every 5, kind of like how we do our 5-group row, or how we left a little space. It changes color every 5 to where we can see our 5 groups, our groups of 5. Then the line through. Let's see how many are crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 are crossed out. So every 10 is crossed out. So let's see how many are all together. So we know there's 10 that's crossed out. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 16 all together. We know there's how many crossed out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's crossed out. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are not crossed out. So it was 16, 10, 6. Ooh, what's a 10 way? So 16 is 10, 6. So we know that 16 is the same as blank 10, blank ones. So we know that 16 is the same thing as 110, because there's one group of 10 right here. 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. The ones are how many that are left over that cannot make a new 10, which is 6. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.